Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to share a quick and easy chicken bread omelette which is very versatile and can be served as a breakfast or snack with a refreshing drink for summer, watermelon cucumber juice to hydrate the body. It's a perfect combo and a quick lunchbox recipe. Now let's get started. Ingredients for chicken bread omelette. To make this recipe, I have taken 3 slices of bread. Let's cut them into small bite-sized pieces and keep them aside. For the omelette, whisk 2 eggs. To the egg, I am adding 3 tablespoons of finely chopped onion, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, quarter teaspoon of chaat masala powder, quarter teaspoon of garam masala powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander leaves, quarter teaspoon of salt and mix well. I'm using half cup of leftover fried chicken. You could use any meat or even prawns. Mix all the ingredients well. I'm adding half a teaspoon of black pepper powder. This is optional. Again, give it a nice mix. In a small saucepan, add about a tablespoon of oil. Add the egg mixture and spread it evenly. Immediately add the bread cubes. Just press it nicely so when we flip the omelette, it will not fall off. While flipping the omelette, be very careful. First turn off the flame, put a plate on the pan and hold it carefully. Then turn it and put it back gently to a pan and cook it for a minute. Now turn on the flame, add some butter on the sides. It's a quick and easy recipe and eggs are highly rich in protein and will fight hunger for a long time. Our chicken bread omelette is done. Now place a plate and flip it again. There you go, easy bread omelette. Do give it a try. Ingredients to make: refreshing watermelon cucumber juice. In this drink, I am using chia seeds. So first let me soak it. In a small glass or a container, add 1 tablespoon of chia seeds. Add some water, mix well and keep it aside. Let it soak for about 15 to 20 minutes. As you all know, it has numerous health benefits and these seeds are well known as a superfood. This is the soaked one. Here I have got 1 cup of watermelon, half a cup of cucumber, 5 to 6 mint leaves, quarter inch of ginger finely chopped. In a blender, add all the ingredients and a tablespoon of lemon juice. This is chaat masala powder, half a teaspoon. Finally, add about half a cup of water and blend well. Into the mug, add some watermelon cubes and the soaked chia seeds. Now I'm going to add the watermelon cucumber juice. Adding some ice cubes. Finally, to decorate, keep a piece of watermelon and some mint leaves. Try these simple recipes and share your feedback about this recipe in the comment section below. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. For more such videos, click on the left to check out my previous video and on the right my other recipes. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.